Welcome back to Phoenix, Arizona. Beautiful sunny day, about 108 degrees today. And we're back at our sanitary finishing project that we completed about two days ago. We completed it. And today is Friday, July 10th, 2020. So let's go inside and take a look, see how everything turned out on this beautiful historical home. We have a camper there, front little patio, and here we are. Got to take our shoes off because we just refinished this, and we're to make sure that it turns out wonderful and beautiful when the homeowner sees it. Oh, that's beautiful. Nice little light, and looks like a nice little center mirror there. Hey everybody, welcome to Royal Wood Flooring. And as you could see, the floors turned out magnificent. Look at that. Nice and smooth. They are beveled edge, these floors, so they don't make this no more. So we had to buy a 3-inch bevel it about 500 square feet. Since we had to do a repair, we wanted to make sure that we use the same product and same bevel edge. And as you can see, we did use some blue tape around the baseboards. Make sure we don't nick or get any kind of finish on them. Not that we would, but we want to make sure that we don't take no chances. And you can see wood floors are just an amazing product. Wood floors, they're solid, they last forever, and if they don't, you just sanitary finish them or repair them. Not like engineered floors or laminate floors or vinyl, which are just temporary. Hardwood floors are forever. It could always be repaired, refinished after 10, 20, 30, 60, 80 years. Wood floors last forever. And I really like this colorful light right here. Very nice and unique. You gotta touch it. Yeah, look at that. Look at all the beautiful colors. Red, blue, orange, yellow. All right, let's focus on the floor. All right, let's focus on this beautiful floor we refinished in this beautiful historical home. Nice little fireplace. I don't know who this guy is, but I'm guessing he's somebody special. Tom Blake, Waikiki Beach, 1929. Whoever he is, he must be popular. Oh man, maybe he's a surfer. Little long boards. That's pretty long. All right, let's go back to our floors and see the great job we did on restoring them and repairing them. We did a repair right around the island and in that little nook right there. Oh, now check this chandelier out. I'm just fascinated how amazing it is. Let's go ahead and dim the lights a little bit so you can actually get a good view of it. Almost looks like a little nest, but it's not. It's actually tree branches made into a chandelier. Ooh, I almost fell backwards, see? That's the old AC, well no, it's not old, it's the new one, but I almost fell in it. Now I've got to be more careful. And as you can see, they did take this wall down, put a beam across, and they did put some veneer on it. Our crew here at Royal Wood Flooring put a coat of finish on it for the homeowner. And as you remember in the previous video, this is where the repair was here. And here it's on concrete. Over here, it's on plywood. Over here, it's on concrete. And if you look at the previous video, you'll see where the old is and the new, where we laced it in, or finger it in, as we like to call it. And then we sanded and we finished it all. Now look at that beautiful long hallway. Nice can lights and amazing cabinet work. They did put a new island in here, new countertops, and nice backsplash on top of the stove. Nice copper duct. All right, let's go check out what else is here. Oh, there it is. So all this area is new up until the end of the island. This is all glued down on concrete. And there's a little chicken. And there goes the bad boys. Well, I mean, policemen. They came to check up because the alarm has been going on for a while. They have a new alarm system. The homeowners are not home. And me and the contractor Casey O'Neill, he couldn't figure it out how to shut it off. It's okay, we're safe. And as you could see, amazing new kitchen. Very modern for 1920s or 30s home. Have a kitchen this big and open, really made a big difference just taking down this wall. Taking down this wall made the biggest difference in this kitchen. Now it flows into the dining room. And there goes that beautiful chandelier again. Yeah, and it's real wood. It's real wood branches, I mean. Let's see, yeah. Yeah, I don't want to break it because it's very fragile. All right, some nice texture on the ceiling. And let's go ahead and do a turnaround look. Beautiful, beautiful home. So if you guys need anything done here in the state of Arizona, give us a call, 602-446-2613. And you can find us at www.royalwoodflooring.com. Thank you so much. And like I said, give us a call, 602-446-2613. Thank you for watching this video. Until the next one, we'll make sure we'll do a great job.